Online business models. There are a number of different online business models that you can follow. All of them can be successful, and they all have their advantages and disadvantages. It is important for you to understand these different models before you decide on what internet marketing activity you want to get involved in. So, let's take a look at the main ones here. Affiliate marketing. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, then the best way to describe it is you promote other people's products and services, and every time a sale is made, you make a commission. The amount of commission varies depending on the product or service. For physical products, the commissions tend to be low. They are much higher for digital products. These days, most major retailers have affiliate programs where you can earn commissions for promoting their products. The Amazon Associate Program is very famous, and many people use this to make regular income online. You need to promote the right physical products. Amazon only pays a 3% commission on toys and 4% on other goods. Once you reach a specific threshold, then the commissions can raise to 8%. It is best to promote high-ticket products from Amazon, such as HD TVs, for example. The sale of a $1,000 TV will give you a $40 commission. It is a different story with digital products. A digital product can be a how-to guide, a training course, software, and so on. Typically, you can earn 50% commission or higher with digital products. This can range from a few dollars to hundreds of dollars for higher ticket sales. The reason the commission levels are different is that it is easier to make a sale with physical products than it is with digital products. People can immediately see the value of a physical product. They know that a top-range TV will cost $1,000 or more because they have seen them in stores. But a digital product is different. It will have a perceived value. The problem is that a lot of people believe that all information on the internet should be free. So, trying to buck that trend by putting a price on digital information isn't easy. But the good news is that it does work. It is usually very easy to get started with affiliate marketing, and you could start for free. There's no cost to join affiliate programs, so all you need to do is promote the product or service to make commissions. Social media is a great platform for this, but you need to do it properly, otherwise you can have your account closed for spam. If the idea of promoting digital products for higher commissions appeals to you, then you can head over to clickbank.com and create a free account. You can then promote any of their digital products. They have many categories and hundreds, if not thousands, of products to choose from. Just as there are affiliates earning a lot of money with the Amazon Associates program, there are people earning 6 to 7 figures a year promoting ClickBank products. There's a lot of competition, but it is certainly possible to do very well with ClickBank. Advantages of affiliate marketing. Easy to get started. Many different products to promote. Limitless earning potential. Can start for free. No concerns about customer service. The vendor takes care of this. It's a proven way to make money online. Disadvantages of affiliate marketing. Commissions can be very low. There is a lot of competition. The customer is never yours. Sometimes you need to be approved by the vendor, which can be tough for newcomers. CPA marketing. CPA stands for cost per action, and it is different from affiliate marketing because there is usually no sale required to get paid by the network that you are using. When somebody clicks on your affiliate link and completes the required action, you get paid. The types of actions include providing their email address on a form, providing their zip postal code on a form, completing a more complex form, requesting an estimate or a quotation, completing a survey, participating in a free trial, purchasing a product or service. These actions generate leads for the advertiser, which they can then follow up to make sales of their products or services at a later date. You are an affiliate of a CPA network, and they will reward you for driving visitors to their clients' offers. The amounts that you will receive in commission will vary from offer to offer. This can be as low as 1 cent and go to hundreds of dollars. It depends on the value that the advertiser places on the lead that you are bringing to them. As an example, there's a popular mobile phone game that is free to download for smartphone users that pay out 4 cents per lead. At the other end of the scale, there are legal firms that are willing to pay over $500 a lead related to disabilities caused by taking certain drugs. Which one is better? There will be millions of people that are interested in playing a new game on their smartphone and will happily download this game without thinking about it too much. There will only be a small amount of people that have a medical disorder because they took a particular drug. So, the market potential is a lot larger for the game, but the returns are a lot less. If you decide to pay for advertising, then a 4 cents per lead offer would be out of the question. It would, however, be viable